Hello everyone, this is Juhi Bhardwaj. Welcome all to my YouTube channel. I'm a tarot card reader, numerologist, Vastu expert and a crystal healer. And this channel is all about numerology, Vastu, spirituality and some crystal healing tips. If you are interested, don't forget to share, like and subscribe to my channel below. So we'll start with our today's video. In today's video, I'm going to talk about two things that you should place in your home which will help you in attracting your true love. So if you have been single for a very long period of time or you have been waiting for your soulmate to enter into your life, then this video is for you. Also, if you are into any kind of relationship or if you are married and if you are facing a lot of problems in your married life or in your relationship, then these two things will help you to get rid of all the problems that are there in your relationship and your married life too. So let's see what are those two things. They are very beautiful things. Now comes the first thing. What you have to place in your home is a pair of lovebirds. You have to place a pair of lovebirds in the southwest corner of your home. Now why lovebirds? Why not any other bird? Because lovebirds are the symbol of love, balance, peace and harmony. Lovebirds indicates the purest form of love. They have that eternal love for each other, the unending love they have for each other. Because if you might have observed lovebirds, or if you have lovebirds in your home, you should just observe how much do they tease each other, how much do they fight with each other. In the end, they're always together. No matter what, they're always together at the end. So that shows the special bond they share between them and the eternal love, the unending love they have for each other. And one more important thing, it's a true fact, if one of their partner dies, the other partner also dies in few days. This is a very beautiful sacrificing quality that lovebirds have in them. So if you want your partner to be loving, caring, understanding, matured, a person who believes in long-term commitment, in trustworthy relationships, person who is honest, loyal and who have that compromising and sacrificing quality in him or her, then you should definitely place a pair of lovebirds in the southwest direction of your master bedroom. Now why southwest? Southwest sector is the sector of love, romance and marriage. This sector brings love and romantic luck. So if you want to enhance your love and romantic life, if you want to attract your true soulmate, your twin flame, your true spiritual partner, then you should place a pair of lovebirds in the southwest direction of your room or your entire home too. Because it will enhance your love life. It will bring a lot of balance, peace and harmony in your relationship. But make sure whenever you are buying lovebirds, they are easily available online, so you can buy them from there. But make sure whenever you are buying, their beaks are always joined together. Because if their beaks are not joined together, if they're up and down or they're scattered, that means a lot of conflicts, fights or arguments or misunderstandings between the partners. So if you want to avoid any conflicts, unnecessary misunderstandings or fights with your partner, then make sure their beaks are always joined together. They're not scattered. So place these lovebirds in the southwest direction of your room. It will give you a lot of benefits. It will bring a lot of peace in your relationship. And it's a very powerful remedy and a beautiful remedy. You'll feel a lot of changes happening in your life. You'll see miracles happening in your love life. Now comes the next tip. The next thing that you have to place in your home is a rose quartz crystal. It's a very powerful crystal for your love life, your married life. What you have to do, you have to place it in the southwest corner again, because southwest sector brings love and romantic luck. Now rose quartz crystal comes in various forms. There are rose quartz balls, pyramid, towers, rose quartz trees, or there are also pendants, rings and rose quartz bracelets too. So you can buy any one as per your convenience, whatever you like. If you like to wear bracelets, pendants, you can buy them. So what I have with me today is a rose quartz crystal ball. and rose quartz crystal tree. Just a second, I'll show you how it looks like. So this is a rose quartz crystal ball. It's a very beautiful ball. I hope the picture is clear in the video. And it's very elegant. It's baby pink in color. So what you can do with this ball, you can keep it in the southwest corner of your room, and you can also meditate with this rose quartz ball. You can meditate and manifest your love life. You just have to place this crystal ball in your hand and just close your eyes and just meditate with it. And make sure while meditating, you're only getting positive thoughts. You're only thinking positive about your love life. Any negative thought, any negative intention at that particular point of time will hamper the process of manifesting your love life. It will create a lot of problems, which will ultimately create a lot of troubles for you to attract your new love. So make sure whenever you are meditating with this rose quartz ball, you are thinking only positive. You're only getting positive thoughts in your mind with respect to your love life. And while meditating with this ball, you have to close your eyes and just imagine. You have to visualize that your true romantic partner is coming into your life. You're attracting your soulmate into your life. You have to visualize. Visualization is very important while meditating. And after meditating, you have to place this crystal ball in the southwest corner of your bedroom. And if you don't want this rose quartz crystal ball, you can also place rose quartz crystal tree in the southwest corner. And I do have rose quartz crystal tree with me, so I'll show you how it looks like. So this is a rose quartz crystal tree. I hope the picture is again clear. So this is a very beautiful tree, and these crystal chips are really pretty. You can see they are baby pink in color. So you can also place this in the southwest corner of your bedroom. So I'll tell you that what are the benefits of rose quartz crystal and how it works on your heart, on your emotions and your feelings. Firstly, rose quartz crystal, it's a very powerful crystal for your love life, and it works on your heart chakra. It activates your heart chakra. So it promotes self-love. So if you feel unworthy of yourself and you feel that you are not confident about your love life, you get a lot of negative thoughts and there are a lot of negative emotions or feelings in your heart. For example, there is feeling of hatred, anger, jealousy, or there are a lot of insecurities or fear developed in your heart with respect to your love life. You feel that you don't deserve to be loved by anybody, or if you have been cheated in your past and you are stuck in that toxic relationship and you're not able to forget that, you are not able to move on in your life, then this crystal will work on your heart chakra. It will help you to let go of all the past issues that you are going through in your life right now. And it will teach you self-love. It will make you feel positive from the inside. It will help you to get rid of all the negative emotions, all the negative feelings that is there in your heart with respect to your love life. And once you start valuing yourself, you start caring for yourself, you start loving yourself, in short, you ultimately become a magnet of love. And once you become a magnet of love, you are in your power to attract your new love into your life. You will be in a position to attract your true soulmate, your true romantic partner. And that's how it works. And if you have got a lot of anger related issues, you get frustrated on small things, irritation is there, a lot of anxiety is there, a lot of stress related issues you are going through, then this particular crystal will help you to get rid of all such issues that are there in your heart, that is there in your mind. And it will calm your mind. It will bring a lot of patience in your life. So that's why it's a very powerful crystal for your love life. And there are a lot of problems going on in your married life, then it will heal all the problems which are there in your marriage. It will bring a lot of positivity in your love life. So that's why you should place this rose quartz crystal tree in the southwest corner of your home. You'll get a lot of benefits with this remedy. So that's it. That's all I have for today's video. So in case if you'd like to order this rose quartz crystal tree or rose quartz crystal ball, you can definitely contact me through my email ID, or you can also DM me through my Instagram account. As you can see, they are pure, authentic, and they are energized too. Yes, they are charged. So you can place an order anytime as per your convenience. But if you like to place an order for them online, you can also buy them online. But please, before buying, make sure their quality is pure and authentic. So that's it. That's all I have for today's video. In case if you want to know more about Vastu, numerology, spirituality, don't forget to share, like and subscribe to my channel below. Also, if you would like to have an in-detail reading with respect to tarot cards, numerology, Vastu, or you need some crystal healing tips, and if you would like to place an order for any crystal, you can definitely contact me through my email ID, or you can also DM me on my Instagram account. Links for the same are mentioned in my description box below. So thank you so much for watching my video.